Okay, getting ready to do lesson 2.5 for pre-algebra math, part 1. Today it's going to be solving equations using addition or subtraction. And we have a 34-point classwork sheet today, and then we have notes to take as well. Today's bell work, teachers, here's today's bell work. Simplify this expression, identify terms, coefficients, and constants. Students, as both of you, you're supposed to do both of these. This ain't a guided or a independent practice. This is your bell work, students. So teachers, give your students about 5 minutes to do this. Okay, welcome back. And here is your solutions for number 1. The terms are here. Like terms are 6x and x, 2 and 4. Coefficients are 6 and 1. That's got a 1 in front of it. And then here is the expression here. And then you combine it. You combine it all together here. 6x plus x, 7x plus 6. And then down here for this one, your terms are here. Your like terms are negative 4k and 3k. Coefficients are negative 4 and 3. And then your constant is negative 12. And then when you combine all this stuff together, you get negative 12 minus 12. That would be the simplified expression there. Solving equations using addition or subtraction. You've solved equations using mental math. You will solve equations using addition and subtraction. Inverse operations are two operations that undo each other, such as addition and subtraction. When you perform the same inverse operation on each side of the equation, you obtain an equivalent equation. This is an equivalent expression. Equivalent equations are equations that have the same solutions. Students, in your own words, define inverse operations and define equivalent equations. 10 points. This is on your classwork sheet. So this is in your classwork packet. It's not on your, this doesn't go in your notebook. This is in your classwork. And we have another definition exercise here, students. Now this goes in your notebook here, page 4. On this lesson, define a constant term and define like terms in your own words and put that into your notebook. Subtraction property of equality. Subtracting the same number for each side of the equation produces the equivalent equation. So this equation here is equal to this equation here. When you subtract 3 from this side and you subtract 3 from the other side, these are equivalent. This is still going to equal the same thing as that. And then you solve it and x equals 2. And then here's the algebraic representation of that. X plus a equals b, x plus a minus a equals b minus a, or x equals b minus a. Example 1, solve an equation using subtraction. So we have this expression here, and we're going to subtract 9 because we want to isolate our variable, yes? So we subtract 9 from both sides, and then we get x equals negative 12 for this situation here. And then the answer is negative 12. Then our check, we plug in negative 12 back into our original. Negative 3 equals negative 3. So negative 12 is the solution. Our first guide of practice here, solve the equation, check your solution. Students, this is yours down here. Solve that. And we're going to our guided practice here. What do? We subtract 8 from both sides. This is equal to this. We still have an equal sign here. So this equals this. And we get x equals 11 in this case here, 19 minus 8. Then we check. Here's our check, and it checks out. And that was lesson 2.5, part 1, part 2, part 3. Email me here. You'll get those. Thank you.